Well, I'm sure this game might look a little familiar. This is Teardown. And, first off, I'm going to start off with, I did already do, I think, the first two missions, which honestly, they were pretty boring. All you did was just break into some stuff, steal a couple computers, and knock down a house. If you guys want to check that out, I'm sure there's someone else has posted it, but, right now I'm just going to flex on Smitty by, having the one and only treadmill. Beautiful. Oh no. We got the news going. So, let's go ahead and see what we're doing next. I already started this one. So basically, we have to steal some stuff. And there's an alarm going off. So we have to... And we only have a minute to grab everything. So, yeah. Oh, I know how to get across here. I'm going to put that truck in here. Alright, that works. Alright, yeah, that's fine. Alright, roll through that building. Beautiful. Yep, we'll just set that there, that's fine. I was asking politely to open this door. So I'm gonna ask politely one more time. That's what I thought. Alright. We got a minute to do it, so... Alright. Oh, where am I going? Where am I going? I forgot where I'm going. Oh, we are Bing chilling. Oh, wrong house, I think. Yeah, knew it. Alright. Oh, we are chilling. No, get out. I did mess that up a little bit, but we did it. We got all of them with 16 seconds to spare. Looks like we're working on the car. Let me help. Oh wait, actually, no, this is, supposed to go on. Build something. Good, I missed. We don't need that anyways, do we? No. Whoa! Alright, yeah, we're just gonna ignore that. Yeah, that seriously didn't happen. Oh. Why don't you join in on the fun? Ah! want to check it out. $600. This banana is worth $600. Alright, we're just gonna